The first step in connecting your phone via Bluetooth to the 2014 Chevy Malibu is to ensure the radio system is on. Select the Home button and press Phone. You may use the physical buttons or the touch screen. Select Phone Settings, Bluetooth, and Pair Device. At this point, you'll need to check your phone for the Chevy Malibu device in your Bluetooth devices. Ensure the PIN is correct and choose your settings on your phone. The confirmation number may change as it connects. To listen to your music, select Home, select Next on the bottom right, and finally select Bluetooth. At any time, you can switch back to FM by selecting the Source button. To delete your phone, simply select Home. Press Phone. Phone Settings, Bluetooth, Device List. Select your device and press Delete. That's it. You're all set.